Guess what is here and earlier than ever? FabFitFun! The heaviest FabFitFun I think I've ever received too. This thing is weighty. And as always, I could not resist getting add-ons, so I'll go ahead and run through the add-ons with you really quickly. These I feel like are the most promising add-ons I've ever bought, and I think mostly that has to do with the fact that I've already had 2 items before. The first one is this one. It's the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This is a really great detangling spray that we actually got in the first FabFitFun box I ever received, which is spring of 2016. So I just ran out of it and I'm very excited to have more. I have several different sprays that are really similar to this, which is why it took me so long to go through it. But now I'm working through the other ones and it was time for a new one. So very excited to have this in my life again. This is the one thing that I haven't tried. This is the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Now I've had the stupid expensive Orbe texturizing spray and I'm hoping that this could be a really good alternative because that one's like $50 and I think this one full price is somewhere around the $25 mark. It doesn't say the prices on the sheet, but I think that I got this for like $9 or $11 or something. So at least half the price, if not less, when you buy it through the add-ons, which was really cool. So very excited to try this out, especially if it's bad. I got it at the lower price point, so we'll see. I love all of Living Proof's products with the exception of their shampoos, so I have a lot of hope in this one. And lastly, this super beat up Murad Environmental Shield Rapid Resurfacing Peel. So this box comes with, I think, 16. This box comes with 16 towelettes that sort of work to chemically exfoliate your skin. And so I've been using these every other night, as the box says. I actually got these in, recently FabFitFun had their own sale where they marked down a bunch of products and you were able to purchase those and it wasn't associated with the timing of the normal boxes. So it was just an additional sale that they had for people that are annual subscribers. So I tried these during that sale because they were marked down to $14 and Murad is a notoriously expensive brand. And I have fallen in love with these. Like my skin has been super clear. I don't know, I just think that this is largely attributable to the type of skin that I've been having lately. So I just said, while they're half price again on this second sale, let me go ahead and get some more. So excited to have more of those. Now, as far as this heavy box goes, I am so excited. This is the first time in the history of me having FabFitFun that I have not looked up every spoiler. This time I was like, nope, I want to be genuinely surprised. Now, I do know like 5 of the items in this box because I am an annual subscriber. That gives me the power to go in and actually choose some of the choice and select items. Now, if you're unsure about what those are, I have about 1 million videos on my channel about FabFitFun and I'll link every single one of them below. But basically, being an annual subscriber in FabFitFun is super advantageous because you get to customize your box a lot, which totally, decreases the chances of you really hating a lot of the products in your box, which is really nice. So anyway, enough of my chatter, let's dive in. Ooh, so the outside of this box is this really pretty orange, but the inside is this really nice blue color. I really like that. Like I mentioned in all of them, they used to come with a big newspaper, but now I guess they've turned this into more of a magazine, which is really nice. And this gives you price points of everything in the box and, interviews with the people that they've curated collections with FabFitFun. Oh yeah. Another thing that you need to know before I show you this first product is that every box comes with a sponsored item. This time around, it is Luna Bar. So this is the Salted Caramel Nut Luna Protein Bar. And it came with this card in the box that says you can enjoy $3 off 1 box of Luna Bars, a 12 to 15 count on Amazon. Very interesting. Use discount 3 Luna FFF. Okay, now the first thing sticking out to me right now is this umbrella. Now this is one that I actually got to choose and some of you might think I'm crazy, but I had the option to choose this umbrella or Bluetooth headphones. Now, if you've been watching me for a while, you know that I typically like to go to spin classes and workout classes in like a group setting. So for me, Bluetooth headphones are not something that I really need. I have that pair of headphones that lives on my dresser all the time. Those are the ones I travel with. They're noise canceling. Because FabFitFun comes seasonally, I'm getting new products a lot. And so I try to keep these products to something that I actually need so that I don't have a whole lot of duplicative items in my life. So I did not have an umbrella. Mine always tend to like turn inside out or something. So I'm hoping that this one that feels pretty heavy duty is going to be good. This is from the brand Catherine Maladrino. I actually have some shoes from this brand. I talked about them in one of my hauls. I'll have to link that for you below. So that's really exciting. This retails for $39.99. And it says tip, to ensure your umbrella dries quickly, don't wrap it up when it's wet. That seems like common sense. This next item I had no idea would be in the box, and this is a Simply Whimsical towel. So this just looks like a nice little tea towel. See, that is useful. Again, this is not something that I go to the store and like always buy tea towels or hand towels. Like those are things that are usually gifted to me or I have to buy out of necessity. So this is really nice to have. Oh, and it comes with 2. Let's read about this. The Simply Whimsical tea towels. This set features 2 playful gray patterns that are sure to perk up your mood every time you walk into the kitchen. Very nice. And I have a big issue with decorative tea towels that don't actually dry things off. And these actually feel like they're going to be absorbent and dry off the wet dishes. So A++ on this item that I knew nothing about. This is so exciting. This is a real deal original beauty blender. Okay. There are about 1 million makeup sponges out there on the market, and a lot of them are really good even at the lower price point, so I never splurge for the real deal beauty blender, but this is so exciting, and this is something that tons of people use, and this is like a makeup item, but it doesn't have to be a specific skin tone or skin type or whatever, so smart, FabFitFun. I love this. Now these retail for 20 bucks, which like I said, there are much cheaper alternatives out there that are just as good. But how exciting to have something that I wouldn't ordinarily buy because it's the bougie version. And it looks like they sent out several colors. Mine's like this super light pink color. The traditional beauty blender comes, as you can see, in that hot pink color. But man, oh man, good job. Good job, FabFitFun. This next thing is something that I actually got to pick out. It was one of the choice items. I had the option of this Pharmacy Do-It-All Total Eye Cream, or I could have chosen the Touch and Soul Medalist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo in Penny. Now, I just have a ton of lip products, and I never tend to run out of those, and I don't use a whole lot of lip products. But anyway, so I got this Pharmacy Do-It-All Total Eye Cream. This retails for $38. It says use the tip of your ring finger to gently tap on the eye cream. This really feels like a pretty weighty it's because it has this like full-blown wooden cap to it. Half a fluid ounce, which is typically the size that eye creams come in, so nothing super remarkable about the size. It is not scented at all, and it is this super light green color. These next items right here, this is the Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Oxygenating Deep Cleanse Mask. It helps your skin glow, oxygenate, detoxify, purify, and it removes face makeup. Bizarre. I've never heard of a mask that removes makeup before. It says, have fun and get clean. Our first of its kind oxygenating deep cleanse mask with green tea Teoxy works to reveal glowing, deeply purified skin in just 3 minutes. Glam Glow is a very expensive face mask brand, and so this is really cool to be getting some of their skincare in the box. This 2-pack of face masks retails for $18. So this next item is Blue and Capri Shower Gel. Okay, I'm actually out of body wash right now, and this is something that I wasn't going to repurchase. I was going to commit to using up my trial size versions that I have a bajillion of in my bathroom, but now I have this. How great. Okay, that's why I couldn't smell. It has the little sealer thing on there. Okay, it smells like nature. I don't know if... It says Blue and Capri Shower Gel with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. So definitely not the clean, fresh scents that I typically reach for in a body wash, but could be nice. Body wash scents never really stay with me anyway, so not a huge deal. It does have some artificial colors when I first look at it. At first I thought this was going to be like a very natural-ish brand, but doesn't really seem that way. It says this multi-purpose shower gel is inspired by the lemon farmers in Capri, Italy, and is deliciously scented with wild sage, lemon, and alpine rose. You can use this as a shower gel or to create a bubble bath. And it retails for $22. I don't know if I already said that. So next up is the Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant. Again, this is one of the products that I was able to choose, and I could choose between the facial exfoliant, which I got, the Hydra Repair Day Cream, which is like a daytime moisturizer, or the Hydra Restore Cream Cleanser. Now, all of these products are very expensive. This one retails for $67. The day cream retails for $49, and then the cleanser also retails retails for $49. I don't know, I just really love facial exfoliants. I had a really hard time choosing between the two, and I probably should have just paid the extra $10 to choose the day cream as well. But if you look at the price difference, it looks like I got the better value by choosing the exfoliant, since this retails for $67 and the day cream retails for $49. I don't think that you really could have gone wrong. Now this brand, unlike the body wash brand that I just talked about, is actually free from this entire list of things. So it says free from skin
aging toxins and carcinogens, no certain sulfates or sulfites, no petrochemicals, artificial fragrance, nitrosamine, no DEA, no TEA, no parabens, paraffins, or synthetic colors.
This is like a pretty pure product, which is probably why this is so pricey. Very excited to try this out and see how it performs in relation to the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Scrub and the Exfoliate that I've previously gotten in these boxes. This is the packaging. Nothing super exciting, it's just gray, but I sort of like the look of it. I like how simple it is. So I'll let you know when I finally get to this. Okay, getting to the end here. This one is the Alfred French Press Coffee Maker. This was another choice item that they had available on their website. So it was either this or this really gorgeous floral teapot. Now I drink a ton of tea and a ton of coffee, but I have an electric kettle that I love for tea. It's super easy, really fast, so I knew that it probably wasn't smart to get the teapot, even though it was the most aesthetically pleasing option of the two. A French press is something that I don't have, and because I'm such a coffee lover, I'm like, why not own a French press? You know, this is something that's not duplicative, it serves a different purpose, so it's a pretty large size. It looks like this can definitely make more than 1 cup of coffee. And here's what it looks like. It says, but first, coffee on it. I'm not huge on like the whole text all over my products thing, but it's just a coffee maker. It's not like you carry this around with you all day, so I think I'll be okay. Excited to give this a try. And last but certainly not least is this Vince Camuto Tote. Now, this is another select item, but again, I knew about it and I was able to pick my shade, so I know that I'm gonna be completely happy with this item. So this is what the bag looks like. I chose the brown color with this black stripe right here. Another option was a black bag with a gray stripe. Now I thought this would be a really good work bag. It's pretty simple. There's only one pocket, but I could keep my phone in there, my laptop, my charger, and my planner, and that's really all I need to take to work. I carry around a lot of useless junk in my current backpack, but you could choose between one of the totes, or you could have gotten a set of makeup brushes, and I'm pretty set as far as makeup brushes go, but a nice bag like this that can be used as a work bag or a nice travel tote if I'm traveling for business, I'm all about. It seems like really nice quality. I'm hoping that it doesn't have the leather that will like come off on your clothing. You know how sometimes if you sweat or something? And I like that it doesn't have a super long strap, so it's not like pulling you down. This bag retails for $128. So I think I got a pretty good value out of this box. So that is everything. I will say on the whole, I am super excited about this box. I am really pleased with everything, especially things that are super practical like the beauty blender, this work bag, the exfoliant, the face masks, the tea towels, like all of this stuff is things that you use. So if you're somebody that's just looking for things to spruce up the house or just for another, I don't know, added bonus for yourself every quarter, then you should definitely think about FabFitFun. I will have everything that you need in the description box below, including those videos that I mentioned. So if you like this video, then please like it. And if you want to subscribe, stick around. Join the community, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.